Hello, Jan here, and welcome to day 7 of our forest bathing while self-isolating, where I take you out into the woods every day for 30 days and we watch spring unfold. If you're not able to get out, I hope you can enjoy the woods through these videos because it is such a special time of year. So much has changed in 1 week since we began. So I've come back to the pond from the day before yesterday, and I can see the little tadpoles are really starting to develop now. They've formed a kind of a figure of 8 instead of a sphere. So they're doing okay, and I'll be keeping a daily eye on them. Again, it's the most beautiful, beautiful day here. We started with a hard frost, and now there is not a cloud in the sky. It's going to be warm later on, I think. The birds are filling the woods with song, and I am so lucky to be here. I hope you enjoy sharing it with me. So I've been coming back every day to check on my little seedling friend, and I'm happy to tell you that he's still going strong. Today I can see it's developed 2 new leaves. Every morning when I've come along, it's been in full sunshine, so it's lucky in that it's found a place on the forest floor where at the moment, until the leaves come out, the sunshine's getting through and it's been able to soak up all of that energy, and there's been no shortage of moisture. It hasn't rained, but I can see the dew still on its leaves this morning, and I am ridiculously happy to see it doing so well. I've really fallen in love with this seedling, and I'm excited to see what it becomes. Good luck. In some of these videos you might hear a beep 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 sound or a distant rumble. That's a plane. But there is also a distant rumble, and normally I would move away from that sound or wait till it finished before filming because I want to capture natural sounds. But actually this is the sound of farmers working in our fields, growing food for us, and something to be very grateful for. Do you hear them? We're back to basics, aren't we? Health workers, farmers, horticulturalists, people who provide clean water. They're our true priorities. I'm not going to talk much today because there is so much beauty around me to share. You don't want to listen to me. Look at nature. It's so gorgeous. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.